Okay, this is stateroom 6190 on the Disney Treasure. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, we've got 2 bathroom doors. Let's check out these closets here. Okay, we've got hanging space and a couple of shelves underneath. Shelves there. There is the lockbox there, and then here in this one we have a much bigger closet, some space up there, and then a nice big hanging closet here. On the other side of this hallway we have bathrooms. So this one is a sink and a toilet, some shelving there on the side, and then also shelving back there, that's good, and some towel hanging there for drying stuff, and of course towels. Down here is a little trash bin, and then a little bit more space back in there. And then this other bathroom here is an actual bathtub with a shower attachment, another sink, more shelving and towels here. So that's actually nice. Someone can go into the bathroom if someone else is taking a shower. Having 2 of those. Do have temperature control here in the middle. Let's go on into the room now. Here is the bed. Ours is an Aladdin theme, which is pretty cool. There's a Boo right there, so cute. Underneath the bed, lots of storage space for bags. And then little bedside things here. These are dimmable lights. And look at those cute Mickeys on the lamps. And a little drawer. Okay. This is a queen size bed here. Another bedside table on the other side. Same thing. Do have plugs here and USB-Cs. I do believe that this turns into a bed. We will show you that. Over across from the bed, we have lots of more shelving space on top. Little garbage cans there below. Here we have, very nice, a little drawer for stuff. We have lots of drawers here, which is awesome. Hair dryer and a mat there. 3 storage spaces, and then that is the fridge. What the? Crazy. Okay, that's nuts. Some more shelving here, and then here we have the balcony. It is a sliding door, but interesting. Okay, and here we go. Small balcony. Look at the Mickey on the chairs. 2 little chairs out here and a little table. Not a bad balcony. That is room 6190. So this is the bunk bed when it's down, and it's got this cool thing up in the ceiling. That's really fun. Also, there is a privacy curtain here. That is really cool. So if you want to stay up but the kids are sleeping, then you can partition off this whole room on this side. I also wanted to show you guys this because we're Castaway Club members. We got this lanyard. This is our 2nd sailing. And then also because it's inaugural sailing season for the Disney Treasure, we got this bag. It's a drawstring bag. We also got these towel band holders, so you put them on the back of your chair so your towel doesn't blow away. And this cool shoulder bag.